We're in our education world, whether you heard it from somebody or learned it someplace, that was kind of a turnaround point for you. You said, man, if I'd known that, I could have done better at that, or
Sure.
that's really important. I'm going to remember and apply this each time that comes up.
Yeah.
What was it, Brian? I know you've got a lot of those things in your career. There's no
So
doubt, but what
I
would
think
you like to share?
one of the most impactful things for me. Now, I was at a young age, I was running, multiple auto repair shops, multi-unit, um, you know, and so like 27 years old. And one of the toughest part of my job was when you had to terminate somebody. And it was very difficult for me because I always, always tug on the heartstrings, and was I really making the right choice? Somebody's, feeding their family, right? So it was very difficult. But then when I kind of narrowed it down, I got the three things that once I kind of applied that to the situation, it was a
Mhm.
game changer, which is they don't know, they don't care, or they can't do. I believe those are the three reasons that people fail.
Okay.
And I also felt like it was my job to make sure that it wasn't a case that they didn't know, right? So that's the training, the development, the information that you give to them. Once you've answered that it really only leaves two things: they can't do it or they don't care. You can't. It's hard to think of any other reason that's out there.
Yeah.
And so that made that a lot easier. You know, when it came down to it, I made certain that they had the information, the knowledge, the know-how, and so when things didn't get done the way they should be getting done, then it only left those other two reasons. And then, of course, I had no issues with dismissing them, and finding their replacement. Right, so that became much easier when I put it into that perspective. So,
That's what I'm hearing is don't care and don't know, don't know. You took care of the don't know because you trained
hmm
them on that.
that's right.
And so interesting 3 points. That
Yeah.
did you learn that by experience or did someone teach that to you?
It might have been said to me, early in my career,
Uh-huh.
because it was definitely something that was talked about. But then, you hear
Okay.
a lot of stuff coming up, right? But then when you actually apply it, and you're like, wait a minute, there's really nothing else left. And, for me and what we were doing with growing locations, unfortunately, the don't care and the can't do just didn't work. It didn't work for
Yeah.
us.